do this.
Yeah, this is Acme Dispatch Control. Welcome to the team, yada yada. Listen, my last delivery crew got vaporized en route to Venus, so we're way behind schedule. Your 30 hours of orientation training had to be cut to 10 seconds. So move it. The duck will teach you how to scan.
All right, recruit. Scan those packages with your scanner. Just aim and pull them. Hey! Now, Now listen here, Buster. You've got a big order today, so go scan packages somewhere else. Sheesh, what a way to run a railroad.
Looks like your first deliveries are here in Cartoon Junction. Just scan all those targets. Hey, pay attention. You got an in-home delivery coming up.
It's a good thing I've got 9 lives.
You know, I lose more putty tags that way.
Not bad. Now let's see how you do with a barnyard delivery.
Good thing I say good things come to those who wait. That dog's about as sharp as a bag of hammers. Wait till I hear you. What's the... Pay attention, son. I'm a rooster, not a dog.
Next stop is all the way in Tasmania. Oh boy. You're behind schedule. This next delivery is to our most loyal customer, so don't mess this one up. Okay, Acme Delivery Crew, you're now cleared to exit Earth's orbit.
Where's the kaboom? There's supposed to be a earth-shattering kaboom! Duck Dodgers!
Look, bud, there just ain't enough room for the two of us. Of course you realize this means war.
Oh, goody! He landed on Mars!
You can't blow up the Earth. All the people I know are there.
It's obstructing my view of Venus. Halt and be fricasseed!
Fortunately, I'm wearing my disintegration-proof vest. You're despicable. A little help, please?
Where'd you go? Mars? Oh yeah, there's one last delivery stop, so scan as much as you can. This route ain't over till the fat pony sings.
Kill the rabbit! Kill the rabbit! Kill the rabbit? I will do it with my spear and magic helmet.
delivery trucks didn't get hit by a disintegration ray this time. Nice work. So that's good enough to award you Employee of the Month. Congratulations. Just